Hey guys, it's Arissa. Welcome back to my channel. I've been talking about doing this video for quite some time now, so I'm finally showing you guys my method of planning these days. This is a very simple grid or dot grid journal from Michaels, and it was only $5. So to kick off the new year, I'll show you guys what I did to map out my January. And by the way, I know that there are more expert, extravagant ways to bullet journal out there. This is my own way of doing it. And I've been asked a lot actually what I've been doing to plan using pen and paper. So this is what I've come up with and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is what I've started as my layout for 2019. I have not filled it all out yet. I wanted to show you guys what the layout was before I went in and added everything. This is my very first page of 2019. I'm not really artistic, so it looks pretty amateur. My motto this year is to stay positive. So I have this sticker right here. I'm going to show you guys too what stickers I've been using and I love them. Created 2 columns myself, and this one says top priority, and then this one over here says must-do list. I'm planning to list out some of the things that I really want to focus on in all of 2019. What are my year goals? Speaking of goals, I created a page. This looks like a little kid drew it, but I created 10 clouds, and I'm going to fill in each cloud with a goal that I have for 2019. Up here, I have travel to a new city and visit family in SoCal. So those are my first 2, and I plan to fill out more later. Next is for January. I like having a calendar that just shows the dates of the month. I created this for YouTube. I have 6 circles right here and I'm going to be checking them off as I go. I will be putting in the date of when it gets published and the title of the video. Here I created a column for highlights of January. So this is kind of like a gratitude journal, and it just allows me to reflect and to appreciate the positive things going on, going back to my 2019 goal or motto of being positive, staying positive. I love how freeform this style is now. Of course, you can customize it to whatever you want. The way I have it here is it's very freeform. Every month, I plan to spend an evening, maybe on a Sunday before the new month, and just lay out my next month. I'm pretty sure that by the end of 2019, I'm not going to want to plan the same way that I'm starting out the year. Now going into this page right here, so this page is way more detailed than this one. This is a budget sticker. It is the monthly budget. You can include up top your income for the month and where all that money is going to track everything. I don't know how detailed I'm gonna get with this. I like to visualize where everything's going. Over here, these are all my trackers. These are things that I really want to start making really good habits of in 2019. I created a box for every day of the month of January for 10-minute clean, and every day I'm going to go in and color in the box if I did it that day. 10-minute clean just means that I want to set aside 10 minutes, put on a timer, and clean whatever I can for 10 minutes and then stop. I get a little overwhelmed and get in my head too much if I think about all the things that I have to clean all the time. Another thing here that I have is make my lunch. So I want to make sure that a lot of the days in January, I'm going to be taking my own lunch to work. Dishes done, make my bed, no Starbucks. I have not had Starbucks in a really long time. No new makeup is a big one. No new clothes. Make dinner. So again, just like the making lunch, but making dinner at home. Posting on Instagram. I have not been great about this in the last month or so, and I really need to go back to what Instagram was for me, which was to just snap something casually and post it because you love it. And now I feel like it's so curated and you want to edit it and make your life look a certain way, and I'm just kind of over that, you know, for 2019. This last one is wake up at 6:30 a.m. And that's just to make sure that even if it's Saturday and Sunday, I am still waking up the same time all the time, just so my body can get used to a routine. And then down here is a to-do list. So I like having a to-do list for the entire month of January because there's no set date for any of the things in this to-do list. They're just things that I want to get done in the next month. and then I'll get into what my weekly calendar looks like. So this is the setup that I have for January. For every week, I have it look like this. So the next month here, or the next week, so on and so forth. Looks a little boring, but I'll start off with the first week so you guys can get an idea. I wanted to do the vertical method for all these days. Sometimes I would go into like this horizontal method, but I actually really like the vertical. I also wanted to make sure that Saturdays and Sundays are just as big as the weekdays. That's something that I didn't really like about a lot of the pre-made planners out there. Starting here, this week I actually put in these Monday through Friday stickers, and they're just the letters M, T, W, etc. And then I wrote in the date, meeting stickers, appointment sticker, payday, and this weekly expenses sticker. And yeah, just very, very simple and clean like that. So that is how I have my January set up. This is kind of boring because I don't really have a lot in here, but I did want to show you guys because I've been getting so many questions. This is for the new year, and I can definitely do this more often if you guys are interested. Now I'm going to get into the stickers. These are actually not necessarily for bullet journaling, but it can really be for anything. This is the Create 365, the Happy Planner. The Happy Planner, I believe, is its own brand of actual planners that are pre-made, but I like the stickers for my own bullet journaling. This is the budget sticker pack, and then this one is the productivity sticker pack. It has all of these like motivation stickers as well. Now is the new later, feed the pig first, and then you get into the ones that I started using. So this is the budget sticker that I had on there, payday. I love these. These are no spend stickers. You can obviously just do that yourself, create your own little box and put all the days of the week and then check them off as you go. But this is just really nice and easy, and also adds nice pops of color. Bill due, so all the different like electric bills, all the utility bills that you have, savings, food budget, if you have a food budget for your groceries, restaurants, etc. It encourages you to want to save your money and keep track of your money, and I just think that's great. I also think it's good to maybe start off with something like this, and then over time you either don't even have to track it because you're just so good at it, or you use this as inspiration to draw out all of these charts yourself. And then this one I also really like because I'm all about being productive. There are the top priority stickers. There's a to-do list sticker, which is great because you could put this on your bullet journal, and these just have circles that you can check off. If you have certain projects that you need to work on, you can have a project sticker with the details and the due date. Busy morning, so you can list off at what times you have certain things. I also was a big sticker collector when I was little, so this is kind of making me feel a certain way about that. Like growing up, I just love stickers. They have so many other options too. I got these at Michael's. They had like a mom sticker pack. Oh my gosh, if I was a mom, I would love to have that sticker pack. They had quite a few others. I can't even think of all the other ones there were. I'm sure there's one for school. If this is something that really interests you, I really do recommend them. But yeah, this is my very basic planner right now, but I do love that it was so inexpensive, only $5. This feels so nice. This is like a faux leather bound journal. I really like it. And in the front too, they actually have where you would put your index, number these pages, and then put like page 20 is where I start 2019. But for now, I've just been using this right here to bookmark where I need to be, and that's been fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about the way I have been journaling or have been planning, let me know in a comment below. I'm, again, no way an expert in this world. It's just something that I've had a lot of fun with. It's been really therapeutic for me to map out the new month. And although it may seem like it may have taken some time, it actually didn't take up too much time. If anything, it was just like a really calm, relaxing thing that I did one evening just to really visualize what my month was going to be like, and now I'm looking forward to filling that all in. If you guys are interested in seeing more from me in this category, let me know, and I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.